Ever wonder how the majestic Himalayas came to be? This remarkable range is the product of colossal clashes between land masses. More than 50 million years ago, two colossal continents, India and Eurasia, engaged in a geological battle. Their collision birthed something extraordinary. Unimaginable forces crumpled the Earth's crust, pushing landmasses skyward to form the highest peaks on Earth. These towering peaks didn't stop there. They continued to grow, albeit at a slow pace, adding a few millimeters to their stature each year. The Himalayas are more than just a stunning spectacle. They inspire awe, reverence, and a sense of wonder. They stand as a poignant reminder of nature's relentless power, an enduring tribute to the Earth's fascinating past. There's an almost spiritual allure to these mountains, their rugged beauty a testament to the formidable power of nature. They're a living, growing monument to Earth's incredible history.